Today we're going to talk about Mitsubishi Kumo Cloud, as well as installation and setup of the Kumo interface in Kumo Cloud app. Kumo Cloud is an app and web-based service that uses a wireless interface to allow remote control of the Mitsubishi heating and cooling system from either a tablet or smartphone. Kumo Cloud works with most Mitsubishi indoor and outdoor products. To see a full list of compatible products, refer to the compatibility chart on mylinkdrive.com under the Controls tab. Additional requirements include a smart device running Apple iOS 9.0 or newer, or Android 4.4 or newer. The system will only run on a secured 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi channel. The system will not connect to an unsecured channel. In this video, we will cover the 4 steps for installation and setup of Kumo Cloud, including downloading the Kumo app and homeowner tasks, installation of the Kumo interface, Kumo app setup, and transferring ownership to the homeowner. Before installing the Kumo interface, ask the homeowner to download the Kumo Cloud app from the App Store on their iOS or Android device. After downloading and opening the app, the homeowner will be prompted to create a Kumo Cloud account through an easy on-screen walkthrough. Lastly, ask the homeowner to provide their home Wi-Fi network name and password for use in a later step. Note that the Kumo Cloud interface will only connect to a secured 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi channel. If the homeowner's Wi-Fi router is dual band, ask them to provide information for the 2.4 GHz channel. While the homeowner completes these tasks, you can install the Kumo interface on one or multiple Mitsubishi indoor units. Installation of the Kumo interface should be done after all indoor and outdoor units are installed and tested. Kumo Cloud setup uses Bluetooth to configure the interface. Be sure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device under Settings. When you're ready to install the Kumo interface, turn off the power to the system. Remove the unit's cover and locate the red CN105 connector on the indoor unit control board. Slide the interface's white connector into the red CN105 connector on the control board. You should hear a click to indicate it is connected properly. Restore the power to the system. The green LED will illuminate to indicate power is on. With the Kumo interface now plugged in, the interface will show 4 quick blue flashes to indicate Bluetooth configuration mode, followed by 3 slow blue flashes after connection. If the interface module does not automatically go into configuration mode, press and hold the top button to switch the module back into configuration mode. Once you have installed the Kumo interface, you are ready to complete setup of the Kumo interface through the Kumo Cloud app. After the homeowner has set up their new Kumo Cloud account and agreed to the app's terms and conditions, the zone screen will be displayed. This is where the technician should take the control of the device and begin the setup process. In the Kumo Cloud app, tap the Settings icon, then tap System Setup. Then tap Installer Settings and enter the Mitsubishi default installer login, 9999, to begin setup process. Tap Installer Login after completion. Next, let the homeowner know who to contact should any service problems occur after installation by entering the technician or company name and contact number. Tap Next to advance. Enter the homeowner's site name, such as Smith Family Home or Martinez Beach Cabin, to identify their property. Tap Next to advance. Now we'll enter the homeowner's Wi-Fi network information that they provided earlier. Input the wireless network name and password, then tap Next. Kumo Cloud will now automatically find and display each connected interface. This may take up to 5 minutes to complete. Once the settings are finished, tap Connect on a unit to complete setup. Under Zone Name, the technician will name the indoor unit such as bedroom or living room as an example. The Kumo app will read the unit capabilities. You may be asked to confirm if the unit is a ductless unit or to manually set airflow. Tap Yes or No to enable or disable Auto Mode, then tap Next. Tap Yes or No to add this zone or unit to a system changeover group. Then tap Next. Once complete, you can tap Save to exit or tap Advanced for additional unit settings. Next, tap Yes to add additional indoor units, or tap No to complete setup. The final step of installation is to transfer system ownership to the homeowner. Simply tap Transfer to Owner to complete system setup and transfer ownership to the homeowner. Input the homeowner's preferred email and tap Finish Setup. You'll maintain control of the system until the homeowner accepts your invite. Once the homeowner has accepted ownership of the Kumo cloud system, they'll have access to basic controls and functions of their Mitsubishi heating and cooling system. If the homeowner wants to have additional units installed at a later date, the technician can simply repeat these instructions to install additional units. For more information on the Kumo Cloud, contact your local Gensco branch or go to mylinkdrive.com under the Controls tab. If you have additional questions about the Kumo Cloud setup, please contact Gensco Technical Services by phone or email.